know the cool thing about Popeyes, besides the fact that we make great fried chicken, we also have an amazing wealth of seafood that we do every year on the menu. I mean, we're from Louisiana, New Orleans, the Gulf Coast, and all that bounty of seafood. So, you know, we had that amazing viral sensation of the chicken sandwich a few years ago. So of course, we're not gonna let Lent pass by without doing a seafood version. So this year, we're introducing the Flounder Fish Sandwich. It's a beautiful wild caught from the cold waters of Alaska. Sweet, tender, beautiful fish and a crunchy breadcrumb coating. And so we do that on our buttery brioche bread, 2 crispy pickles, barrel cured pickles, and of course you can have it classic with tartar or make it spicy and do it with our amazing spicy spread. And of course we have shrimp on the menu every day. We have popcorn shrimp. Again, this is out of the Atlantic off the north coast of South America, and it's wild caught, beautiful, tender little shrimp. It's a great value too. And of course, every year we have to bring back that shrimp tackle box. 8 pieces of butterfly shrimp, biscuit, and your choice of sides. It's such an amazing value and amazing product. So I don't know about you guys, but I always struggle to get food on the table, especially during Lent when I'm trying to eat meatless on a Friday. So I've got a couple of shrimp recipes. We're gonna do New Orleans style barbecue shrimp. It is not a red sauce base. This is a very typical New Orleans famous recipe created in 1951 at Pascal Manali's. I start with my shrimp in the pan. I use a medium-sized shrimp. I'm sauteing it off. The cool thing about barbecue shrimp, you get to cook with beer. So I use a nice dark beer. This is Negro Modelo. I'm gonna add in a little Lee & Perrins, couple of quick dashes. Never go too far without my crystal hot sauce either. Squeeze in the juice of a lemon. I use half a lemon for this. And then I gotta tell you guys, you wanna do it over grits for this amazing barbecue shrimp and grits. I have a hack for you on quick way to make grits. I buy those tubes of polenta and then I just thin it out, add water, stock, milk, thin it out, and then pour your shrimp and grits over the top. It's an amazing quick meal. And of course, all of this is on our website. You can find anything and everything you want to know about Popeyes, locations, our offerings, and even these recipes, popeyes.com.